Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the hardware and app. Power the Nanlite, enable its Bluetooth or Wi-Fi mode, and ensure firmware is current. This avoids pairing failures. Once done, open the Nanlite app and accept permission prompts so the phone can discover devices. You should see the lamp listed. If not, toggle Bluetooth and scan again. Make sure your phone and the light remain within 1 to 2 meters for initial pairing. This reduces packet loss and speeds discovery. You now perform the actual pairing and network setup. Tap the device name shown in the app, verify the model and ID, and follow on-screen prompts. For Wi-Fi models, enter your 4 GHz network name and password because many lights do not support 5 GHz. This is why connection fails if you choose the wrong band. For Bluetooth, accept the system pairing request. Once connected, assign a recognizable name and room to the light, so scenes and groups work intuitively later. You finish by validating control and saving the setup. Test on /off, dimming, and color temperature so you confirm full function, then save the device into groups or scenes. If controls are sluggish, update the app and check for a firmware patch. Updates fix stability and add features. If it still fails, perform a power cycle, then a factory reset per the manual as a last resort. One key tip: intermittent issues often stem from using a 5 GHz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.